In this session, we are going to discuss about the marker interface in Java. An interface that does not contain any method or fields or constant is known as marker interface, or in simple word, we can say that marker interface is actually a empty interface, and you can say we can also call it tag interface. Now the question is that what is the purpose of tag marker interface? So you can say marker interface actually delivers the runtime information about an object. Okay, so you can say that whenever somebody is using the marker interfaces, in that case what happens, information about the object or specific information about the object is provided to the, you can say, JVM. Okay, and what happened that using that additional information, JVM actually treats that particular object in some different way. For example, I can take the example of serializable interface. We have a serializable interface, we have a clonable interface. These are the best example of marker interface. Okay, we will talk about these interface. You can say in the upcoming, you can say, slides. Okay, so these are the two example of the you can say marker interface. And in short, you can say that what is the purpose of marker interface? Whenever you are using or implementing the marker interface, they indicates a signal and send a command to the JVM. Now, in that case, JVM works in a some specific manner. Now, you can say if we talk about the declaration of a marker interface, so it is same as interface, only the difference is that it is an empty interface. Like you can say that this is serializable interface and that is clonable interface. We will talk about the clonable interface first. So clonable interface in Java is also marker interface, and that belongs to a Java language package. It means clonable interface is an example of marker interface, and it resides in the java.len package. And what is the purpose of it? It generates a copy of an object with different name. So whenever you can say that whenever you want to clone an existing object, okay, then you can use this clonable interface. And what you have to do to clone it, we can implement the interface, this interface, in the class of which class object we want to be cloned. And second thing, what you have to do in that class, first of all, we have to implement the clonable interface, and we have also override the clone method of object class in this class. Now the thing is that if we do not implement the clonable interface in the class and do not invoke the clone method in it, then it will throws the clone not supported exception whenever we try to use the clone method. Okay, so here the important thing is that a class that implements the clonable interface, it is mandatory that it should override a clone method. Okay, and which is a public method. If you want to still get some more detail that how you can use the clonable interface and how we can create the clone of a object using clonable interface, you can watch this video on my channel, different ways to create object in Java. Now second, you can say interface is serializable interface, and it is also a marker interface, and it is available in the Java IO package. Now the thing is that what is the purpose of this? If you want to make the class serializable, okay, serializable means, you can say in simple words, whenever you want the objects of your class can be serialized and deserialized, then you must implement this serializable interface. You have to simply implement this interface, and now after that you will be able to serialize and deserialize the state of an object of your class. Still, you want to get more detail about what is serialization, what is deserialization, and how you can achieve it, you can watch this video on my channel. Okay, now if you have still any doubt on you can say that marker interface, you can put in the comment of this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.